Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to cancel follow requests on Instagram. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and install looking for or searching for Instagram and double check only if the Instagram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and jump right into it. If it doesn't, just move along to the next step. The next step is to open up the Instagram app, right? And you're gonna just go ahead into going to cancel a follow request. If you have a following, or if you have a someone who you followed or searched for on your Instagram, you will find it right in your browser, right? And you once you go to your browser right here, you'll be able to go ahead to the search, and you'll be able to see your recent search history, right? And you'll be able to see the people that you searched for in the accounts and everything. Just go ahead to the account that you already followed or requested a follow from, and just go ahead and click on the requested right here. And basically, as easy it is, the requested has been canceled right away because that person haven't made any action regarding whether he should accept my following or should not. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.